Morning students, hope everyone are fine, right? So in the last class what we discussed? In the last class we discussed the work it out as well as the, yes, we completed a work it out in the last class only. So now we'll begin with the second chapter. What is the name of second chapter here? That is operations on numbers. What are the mathematical operation in basic class? I told what are the mathematical operations? That is the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These four are the basic mathematical operations. Okay, that only we are discussing in the chapter number 2. Okay, so we'll begin with the chapter number 2. That is chapter 2, operations on numbers. Operations on a numbers that we are discussing. Okay, in that we are adding a large numbers and subtracting a large numbers and multiplying the large numbers and dividing the large numbers. Okay, that we are doing in the second chapter. Okay, so now we'll solve the first thing, that is the let's recollect problems. Okay, so page number, open page number 34. In that we are having a let's recollect problems. Okay, so start with the let's recollect. First one. What is the first one here? Add the following. Add the following means we have to do the addition here. Okay. So first one. What is the first question here? 13579 plus 27645. Right. So now add the values. 9 plus 5, 14. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. Okay. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 1, that is 12. Next, 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So, what is the answer we got here? 41,224. 41,224 is the answer here. Okay. Next, go for the second one. This is the 8th one. Now, we will start with the B one. What is the B question here? The given 6715 675152, right? So next 13275. Add the following. Now see here. 5 plus 2 how much? 5 plus 2 7. 6 plus 5 11. So 1 is carry, 1 here. 7 plus 2 9. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 3 10. 6 plus 2 8. Getting everyone? This is nothing but what see here? 80,000 here, not 80,000. 8,07,917 is the number. Understanding what I am saying here? Once again listen here. This is a 8,07,970. This is the addition problem. Okay. So now finish the first main. Now go with the second main. Okay. What is the second main they given here? Subtract the following. Subtract the following means we have to do the subtraction here. Okay. Very easy problems. You know already addition and subtraction, right? That only we are doing here. Second main, 8th one. That is a 675174 minus 37215. Subtract here. And what is the B question? Write the B question also. 24537 minus 76, right? Please. Next 13247. 13247. Okay. So now we have to do the subtraction here. 4 minus 2, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 7 minus 7, 0. 6 minus 3, 3. So what is the answer we got here? 3,03,022. 3,03,022 is the answer. Now go with the second one. We can't subtract 7 from the 6. So take a borrow here. Take a one borrow, it will become a 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. Now 7 minus 5 is 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. 4 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 0, 2. So what is the answer we got? 2,32,129. 2,32,129 is the answer. Okay. So now go with the third main. Multiply. Multiply. First problem. Okay. 247 into 24. Okay. So if we know the 24 table, then you can do the directly. Okay. 24 7s are 24 4s are 24 2s are like that. Okay. If you don't know the table 24, then go with the only 111. First multiply with the 4. Okay. So first multiply with the 4. 4 7s are 28. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Next. So below the ones place we have to put the addition symbol here. Okay, don't write below this number. Just write a plus symbol and write the next number. Next, 2 7s are 14. 1 carry. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Next, 2 2s are 4. And now 8 here. 8 plus 4 12. This will be 19 and here 5. What is the answer we got here? 5,928. Correct, right? Wait a second. 4 7 are 28, 4 4 is 16 plus 2 18, 4 2 is 8 or 9 and 2 7 are 14, 1 carry 2 is 8 9 4. Yes, it is correct. So what is the answer we got here? 5,928. Getting everyone? 5,928 is the answer. Now go with the second problem. What is the second problem here? 97 into 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 2 is 29. 291 is the answer. Next, seat 1. Go for the seat question. What is the seat 1 here? 6,754 into 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. Okay. So what is the answer now here? 6,754 into 5 we did, right? So 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. And 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. Okay. So what is the answer we got here? 33,770. 33,770 is the answer. Next one. Third main, this one, last one. Okay. 1 3 2 4, right? Into 14. 14 4s are 56. 14 2s are 28. 28 plus 5 is 33. 14 3s are 42. 42 plus 3 is 45. 14 1s are 14. Plus 4 is 18. So what is the answer we got? 18,536. 18,536 is the answer. Okay. So we finished the third main also. Now go with the fourth main, that is divide. Division be given here. We have to do the division. Fourth main, division problems. Divide. What is the first question they given here? 5436 divide with the 3. And second one is 735 divide with the 5. Okay. Now do the division here. 5436. Okay. Here which is a divisor and which is a dividend? which is a dividend. When we write like this, here it is a dividend. Okay, this is called as the divisor. Whatever here we get, that is called as the quotient, and here this is called as the remainder. Okay, you have to remember these points. Whatever the things, whatever the number you are writing inside, no, that is called as the dividend. And what is the outside number, no, that is called as the divisor. And here you will get some numbers, that is called as the quotient. Okay, and below this we are getting some values. It may be 0, it may be another number, that is called as the remainder. Okay, remember these points here: dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. Okay, these are the 4 main things we have to remember in the division problem. Okay, so now we will do the division here. Now, observing here 5 is greater than 3, then we can consider 3 ones are 3 here. So here 2 left, take a 4 now, 3 8s are 24, right? Next again take a 3 here, again 3 ones are 3, and next take the number 6, 3 2s are 6. Okay, so what is the quotient now here? Quotient is equal to 1812 and the remainder is equal to what? 0. Getting everyone? The quotient is 1812 and the remainder is 0 here. Okay, so now go with the second problem. Divide the 735 by 5. Now 5 ones are 5 first, 5 ones are 5, 2 left, again take this 3. 5 4s are 20, right? Next again take a 5 here, 5 7s are 35. So what is the quotient here? Quotient is equal to 147 and the remainder is equal to 0. Okay, quotient is 147 and remainder is 0. I hope everyone are understanding what I am saying here. Okay, this is a very easy problems. Already you learnt in the 4th standard only. That only they given here, right? Addition, subtraction, multiplication as well as the division. Okay, so now we'll go with the 5th main now. What is the 5th main they given here? Estimate. Estimate means what? It is not an exact answer. We have to round off the numbers and we have to estimate the addition or a subtraction here. Okay. So first one, 5th main, first one. 1 2 4 6 7 plus 3 4 5 2 3. Right. Next B one. 6 7 4 5 4 3 plus, sorry, minus, right? Minus 1 4 5 1 5 4 3 2. Okay, so they didn't mention you have to round off to nearest 10 or a nearest 1000 or a nearest 100. They didn't mention here. Okay, so it's your wish. If you want to round off the given number in nearest 100, then you can. If you want to round off nearest to 10, then you can. Nearest to 1000, that is also your wish. Okay, so here there is no restriction. Just round off the numbers to the nearest 10 or a nearest 100 or a nearest 1000. Okay, so it's your wish. If you are doing here nearest 10, for this number also you have to do the nearest 10 only. Okay, only that is a restriction. Okay, so I am doing the nearest 10. For first round off the numbers, round off nearest 10. Okay, round off to nearest 10. So what is this value will become? 1 2 4 67 is there. 67 means it will become a 70 because 65 is the middle number. It is greater than the 67. So for that reason it is nearer to 70. Now this value 23 is given. 23 means it is nearer to which value? It is nearer to 20. So that will be 5 into 0. Now add the values. 0, 7 plus 2 9, 5 plus 4 9 and 4 plus 2 6. So 46,990 is the answer. Getting everyone? Nearest to 10, I rounded off the given numbers here. After rounding off, add those two numbers. That is called as the estimating here. Okay, it is nearer to this value. If you add these numbers, it is nearer to this value. That is the meaning of that problem. Estimate. Okay. So now for that one, Again round off this number, that will be the 67540. 43 is there, it is nearer to 40. Subtract, next value is 15430. Okay, so here 4 minus 3 1, 5 minus 4 1, 7 minus 5 2, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So what is the answer we got here? 52,110. 52,110. Okay, that is the answer here. So we finished the let's recollect problems. Now we'll go with the exercise number 2.1. Start the exercise number 2.1, everyone. Page number 36. Open the page number 36. In that we are having the exercise number 2.1. 2.1. First one. Find the sum. Find the sum means we have to do the addition problems. Okay. So first one. What is the first number? They given a larger numbers. Only that is the difference. Okay. Nothing is changed here. Everything is same. 403 plus 8 crore 45 lakh 63,907. Now add the values. Okay. See here. 7 plus 3 is what? 7 plus 3, that is 10. Here 0 plus 1, 1. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 9 plus 6, 15. Right? Now 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. So what is the answer we got here? 14 crore 24 lakh 54,310. That is the answer. Okay. So next B, do the B one problem. 3 crore 32 lakh plus 67 lakh 32,007. In crore place there is a no value, it means 0. 7 plus 4, 11. 0 plus 1, 1. Again here 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus 3, 3. Next 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. So here 3 plus 0, 3. So what is the answer? 3 crore 99 lakh 32,011 is the answer. 3 crore 99 lakh 32,011 is the answer. Okay. So next C one. We will do the C one. C one. 45 crores plus 24. Now add these numbers. 0 plus 4, 4. 3 plus 0, 3. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 0, 6. 8 plus 8 is 16. 7 plus 1, 8. 0. And 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. So what is the answer now here? 65 crore 8 lakh 66,534. 65 crore 8 lakh 66,534 is the answer. Okay. Next D. What is the D question here? That is 78 crore. Sorry, 78 lakh 4,123 plus 3 numbers they given right here. So 21 lakh 13,678. Next number is here 1 crore they given. 1 crore 40 lakh 3,004. So 5 or 4? Yes, 5. Now add the numbers. Okay. That is 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Here 2. 9. 9 plus 4 13. And here 2. What is the answer? 2,39,20,806. 2,39,20,806 is the answer. Okay. So we finished with the first main. Now we go with the second question. Second question and third question will be the word problems. Okay. We finish now that also. Second one. That is, a company made a profit of 1,98,56,342 in the first year and 2,34,76,524 in the second year. How much total profit did the company make in the 2 years? Okay. Profit in a first year. Profit in a first year, that is equal. Next, profit in a second year. Okay, that is equal. And total profit. Total profit means we have to add the numbers. Right? Is equal to. So whatever the number here, write first. 1,98,56,342 plus here. That will be the 2,34,76,524. Right? Yes. Add the numbers now. 6 and here 6, 8, 12, 13. Next. It is also 13, 10, 13, 4. Okay. Total profit is 4,33,32,866. Total profit is equal to this much. Okay. Now third one. Okay. Rehan bought a car for a 45,23,600 and a flat for a 12,32,98,234. How much money did he spend in all? For flat, how much money he spent in? That is a 12,32,98,234. For car, how much he spent? That is a 45,23,600. So what is the total money he spent here? We have to do the addition. Okay, right here. Money spent for car. That is equal to what? 45,23,600. Right? Next, money spent for flat. Flat means what? Site antarala adike flat. Okay. Flat even ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ತಗೋತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 12,32,98,234. Now we have to do the total money spent. Total money spent, that is equal to, what will the addition here? So 4 plus 0 4, here 3, 6 plus 2 8, this is 11, here 12, 8, 7, 2, 1. So 12,78,21,834. That much amount he spent. Okay, that is the problem. So we finished the 2.1 also. The homework is solve the let's recollect as well as the 2.1 in a HW. After writing in a HW, you have to write in a CW also. Okay, that is your homework. Okay, continue in the next class. Thank you everyone.